Hey everyone, want to unlock smoother gameplay on your Nintendo Switch 2? While the console caps most games at 30 or 60 FPS, here's how some players are pushing for up to 120 FPS with the right tools. So the Nintendo Switch 2 has upgraded hardware with a screen capable of higher refresh rates, but games must support 120 FPS natively or via mods. Not all games will go above 60 FPS. If your Switch 2 is modded, you can install homebrew tools like sys-click to increase CPU and GPU performance. This can allow some lighter games or emulators to run at higher frame rates. Also guys, be sure to understand that overclocking can shorten the lifespan of your console and will void warranty. Some users are achieving 120 FPS by streaming games from a PC or cloud service like GeForce Now, where the game runs at 120 FPS on the server, and the Switch just displays it. This works only if your Switch 2 browser or third-party Android OS setup supports it. If a supported game allows tweaking resolution or effects, lowering them might unlock high FPS, though this is extremely rare on the stock OS. And that's how people can, and you also, unlock 120 FPS on this console. Like and subscribe for more performance tips, emulator guides, and advanced modding tricks. Thanks for watching, and game smooth.